Unlock the power of antonyms with a thesaurus. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting session of our English language learning journey. Today, we are focusing on a unique and very powerful tool in the language learning landscape, the thesaurus, specifically how to use it to expand your antonym vocabulary. By mastering this, you can increase your language proficiency, enrich your conversations, and impress your readers or listeners. A thesaurus is a book or a digital tool that lists words grouped together according to similarity of meaning. It's much more than just a collection of synonyms. It's a linguistic treasure trove where you can find antonyms, related terms, and even idiomatic phrases. While a dictionary gives you definitions, a thesaurus helps you find the right word to express exactly what you mean. The benefits of using a thesaurus are numerous. First, it can dramatically expand your vocabulary, helping you to find the precise word you need to express yourself. Secondly, a thesaurus can prevent repetition, making your writing or speech more varied and engaging. Lastly, it's an excellent tool to learn antonyms, the words that mean the opposite of another word, providing a comprehensive perspective of the word's usage. Using a thesaurus to learn antonyms is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose a word. For instance, let's say we want to find antonyms for the word beautiful. 2. Search for the word in your thesaurus. You'll see a list of synonyms, and usually, a list of antonyms too. 3. Study the list of antonyms. For beautiful, you might see words like ugly, plain, and unattractive. 4. Use the new words in a sentence. This helps you to understand the context of each word and to remember them. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind while using a thesaurus. Don't just pick any word. Choose words that fit your context. Words have connotations and nuances that could alter the meaning of your sentence. Practice regularly. The more you use the thesaurus, the more familiar you'll become with different words and their antonyms. And that's a wrap. By using a thesaurus, you can unlock the full potential of your English language skills. Remember, the goal is not just to learn new words but to understand their usage and context. With practice and patience, you can master the art of using antonyms effectively to add sparkle to your conversations or writings. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, keep exploring the beauty of English.